Yeah, hello. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome all my subscribers to my new episode, especially my new subscribers. Yes, so on today's episode, I want to show you how we can make 1,000 cedis with ChatGPT and MS Word in Ghana. Yeah, a lot of people don't know anything about ChatGPT and MS Word and how they can even use these tools to make money online. So in today's episode, I want to show you how you can combine these two to make money online. Yeah, online. So no time to waste. We'll jump on my laptop screen and I'll show you how you can combine these two apps, that's ChatGPT and MS Word, to make 1,000 cedis or even more money for yourself. So no time to waste. Join me on my phone screen and let's start from the scratch to the top. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share to your friends so that they can also get this knowledge and make money online. Join me on my phone screen and let's do it. Yeah. So welcome to my laptop screen. So I want to show you how I make money with ChatGPT and Microsoft Word. Yeah, so I want us to start from scratch and do it. Yeah, so how I want to show you how I make the money. But first of all, before we continue to do this, yeah, I recommend rules engineers. Yeah, if you want to watch more videos about rules, like how we can do bed, like wardrobes and things, yeah, you can check them out on YouTube. That's rules engineers, and I will leave their accounts name in my description so you can check them out. Yeah, they're amazing. Yeah, so let's continue. So this is how I make my money on Chat GPT using and Microsoft Word. So this is how I do it. Like, I wrote a book. I sell books. Yeah, I sell books and things. Yeah, so I use ChatGPT to write books and edit the books in my Microsoft Word. You see, write a book. So I will do it. Write a book about, let's say, affiliate marketing. Then I'll command him to write a book about affiliate marketing. Then he'll start. You see, chapter 1, chapter 5, introduction. Then you click continue. Then it's like it will start from the introduction. You see, like with with no, like, I will not be thinking. You'll be thinking for me. Is it a thing? So chapter 1, what is affiliate marketing? Then you continue, do it. Then chapter 2, how to get started with affiliate marketing. In this chapter you will learn, you see, so you write everything from A to Z. Chapter 4, building. So you write everything. This is the chapters. After that, then you go deep and do everything. You see, yeah. So he's writing it. So after he's done writing the book, then I'll copy all these things. I'll copy all these things. Like, let me do it for you. Then I'll come and copy all this. I'll copy. I'll copy. Then I'll minimize this and open MS Word. Yeah, so I've opened MS Word. Then I will paste it here. Then do editing. It's editing. Yeah, then I'll edit it from scratch. You see, then I'll edit it from scratch. I normally use times like 14. You see, then I'll already edit everything from scratch. You see, then I'll edit it from scratch. So after editing it, then I'll convert it to PDF. I'll convert it to PDF. Yeah, I'll convert it like save as. I'll save in PDF. Yeah, in PDF. Then I'll come to, yeah. So after that, then I'll come to seller.com. Then I'll log into seller.com. Yeah, so that's where the magic happened. So here I'll be selling the content over here. That's the digital product. I'll be selling it here. Yeah, so I'll log in. Then I'll log in. Yeah, so this is how the magic starts. So then I'll add my product. So I've done a video about how you can create a like account on seller.com. So I'll add a product. Then I'll upload the books over there, and you see we have physical products, digital products. So I'll go in for digital products. Yeah, digital products. Then I'll upload my book over here, like price it, let's say 100 cedis and things. Then I'll create account for there. Then I'll start selling the books without even doing anything. GPT did everything for me without doing everything. So that's how GPT works. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. The name is the same. Can rhymes.